What's going on, traders? Hope everybody had a great weekend. I'm here to do a little bit of market prep before the start of the week. Monday, May 8th. Of course, we have CPI this week, so all eyes are going to be on that major economic print coming in on Wednesday. So let's make sure we keep an eye out for that. And we're starting off on the weekly chart here of the S&P 500. But before we get into it, of course, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. And as well, if you're liking the content that we are providing about the markets, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, smash the notification bell. That way you are alerted every time we post new updates about the markets. All right, so with that being said, let's get into it. Now, as you can see here on the weekly chart, we had quite the day on Friday. A bit of a short squeeze. Markets were up 1.85%. Final print 412.63. So nice rally on Friday. Was very enjoyable to trade. And we're taking a look at the two last weekly candles. I mean, look at these dragon tail dojis here. Pushed down and then boom, buyers came in, pushed that pressure up here. And again, for this week, now I posted about this on my Twitter here. Every time we come down out of the range between the 0 and the 23.6, bulls keep coming in and pushing it back up. Look at these wicks here. So I would have to say overall this is pretty bullish behavior in the market. We are a bit oversold. We're not quite there yet, but on the weekly I am going to be monitoring this here on the Hello Momo as this continues to rise up. We're starting to get into that really interesting place here on the Momo, but either way, this was very interesting. We didn't quite touch the weekly 20, but every time we got close to that 38.2, wow, they really came in here and pushed it back up. But let's just take a look here on the weekly chart. On the daily chart. You can see a little bit better. Look at this. I mean, basically a double bottom, not quite all the way down as we were saying before, but basically a double bottom, and then boom, right back into the range. Just when the bears thought it was safe to go into the water, the bulls came in and saved the day. One thing here though that we want to mention, we are coming right back into that value area high. So and as well, we have CPI on Wednesday. So, I'm going to be playing very defensive on Monday. We had a huge rally day, likely to see the markets go into a trickier type of consolidation, intraday reversal price action, mode. And we are right on this daily, value area high. So with CPI, the rally, all the more reasons for the markets to be hesitant overall. So it will be good to be careful and play defense. So let's just be aware of that. All right. Let's take a look. Oh, no, I don't want to go there. If there's anything we can surmise here. You can see again when we came into this broader consolidation here that we have been watching. Boom, right off of it. Boom, right off of it. And again, this one with the big gap up. Nice gap and go. That was very fun to trade, as I was saying earlier. A lot of money to be made on those great trend days. And we did close above the downtrend here again. However, we have to just watch out that this is not a fake break. But we'll have to see. There's a chance that we could potentially come back up. If you go back into the other videos, we're talking about this May 5th reversal. Now we're going to be looking to see about mid-month. As we get a little bit closer, I'll get a little bit of more of an estimation. But regardless of CPI, we could see a little bit further upside and then come down. And that's just kind of big picture stuff. But either way, I'm still expecting that choppy market behavior coming for the next few days ahead of us. So what are we looking at for tomorrow? Let's pull up a different chart here. Alright, so what I'm thinking for tomorrow, really my projections would be to see some type of continuation here in the morning. Now, I haven't looked at futures yet. They seem relatively flat. Let me zoom in on my futures chart here. Yeah. Yeah, a nice little move there actually. From 44.52. That's not a bad move. But overall, just trading in a range, I would have to say. Markets opened up, sold off a bit, did a little bit of a double bottom, then came back up, and then was selling off again, and kind of just stabilizing. Still above that 41, 45 though, so it's okay for now. But if I had to guess, my inclinations for tomorrow would be that we see some type of continuation on this move. I want to come into the okay, so I would think that we see some type of continuation in the morning of this move. Maybe we come up, maybe we do actually breach these highs, come up here to this 414 area, 414.25, 414.10. We might even, I dare say, make it up to real close to that 415. But then watch out, midday, I would say probably maybe 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, we'll start to see that reversal, and then we come back down. We'll have to see if they can breach these highs here around that 411. And if they break the point of control here, probably see a little bit more selling, maybe down to 410. We'll see how that was a big number before. We'll see how that's defended. But either way, that's kind of my projections for tomorrow. That morning rise, hit, and then come back down. I'm not sure if we'll break that 411. If we do, like I said, I think we would be likely to see 410. And if they can get back under 409.55, I would look for certainly a lot more selling to come into the markets. But with this rally, I do kind of feel like inventory might be a bit thin, long, and we might not have too many buyers that are going to be willing to pay at these prices, especially coming into CPI, and we might see that midday rollover. So watch out for that. I don't know how much if I'm interested in really catching the long in the morning. We'll see. I might just wait and try to catch the counter trend trade, of course, smaller in midday according to my plan. So yeah, if we come up to that 414, maybe 414.25, I'll have to look to see what that equivalates in futures. Maybe 465, maybe 4165, maybe 4170. I'd have to see, but maybe somewhere in that area, and then rolling back over. So that's pretty much going to be my game plan. I'm going to take it easy, like I said, smaller size, a little bit more defensive. We had this huge rally, really beautiful move to the upside. So no reason to push the gas after such a great day. But yeah, once we finally broke over that consolidation here, you can see we had unemployment, I believe, or it was job numbers. We came right back in, retested the this area here around that 407, basically retesting the highs of the consolidation range from Thursday. You can boom, boom, came in, grabbed the liquidity right at the 20 here on the hourly. Buyers came in, boom, boom. I mean, this was just a beautiful move. I actually got in some futures right here and had a really nice time with this move to the upside. And then we got in some calls a little bit later in the day around here at lunch, and boom. I mean, it was beautiful. But either way, that's my plan for tomorrow. Trade safe, be careful. No reason to push it on a Monday. Just let price kind of work itself out. And we'll see what happens after CPI. And then we can be a little bit more potentially aggressive if price action seems to dictate that. But we have to see really how it's going to be delivered. and what the numbers are for CPI. So, all right. I hope everybody had a great weekend. As I said before, take care, and I wish everybody the best of luck with their trading on Monday. All right. Take care.